Spotted an NG file alongside DWG drawings in an architectural project archive? This is an auxiliary AutoCAD file that supports the main drawing data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how these NG files work with your AutoCAD workflow. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party NG file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. An NG file is a data file associated with Autodesk's AutoCAD software, a premier application for computer-aided design, CAD. It often functions as a backup or temporary file generated during a design session, containing drawing data or configuration settings that can be used for recovery or versioning purposes. The NG format is typically a proprietary binary file structured similarly to AutoCAD's primary DWG or BAKI files. Its purpose is to provide a robust secondary save mechanism. The developer's intent is to safeguard user work against application crashes or data corruption by creating an auxiliary copy of the project's state. Commonly, NG files use Autodesk AutoCAD developed by Autodesk Inc. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. To open this specific NG file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the NG file won't open, don't panic. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, opening in AutoCAD. Launch Autodesk AutoCAD and open the companion DWG drawing file located in the same directory. AutoCAD automatically reads associated NG support files when present to restore named groups, annotation states, and other auxiliary drawing information. Next, using DWG TrueView. Download the free Autodesk DWG TrueView application to view drawings without an AutoCAD license. Open the parent DWG file and DWG TrueView reads any companion NG file data for accurate display of name groups and drawing states. Finally, recovering drawing data. If the NG file is corrupted, use the AutoCAD recover command on the parent DWG file to reconstruct missing references. AutoCAD's audit and recover tools rebuild auxiliary structures and resolve broken links to NG support data automatically. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.